folks, welcome to another edition of Chris's Tech Blog. Today with me for the first time, an interview, I'm so proud, Sarah's from ISS. So ISS is a very smart video management solution, and I came across it 1 or 2 years ago, and I really like it. But today, the expert, so let's see what she has to say. So, Sarah, welcome to Edmonton. I'm very, very proud having you here, and thanks for taking the time. How do you like Edmonton so far?
I really am enjoying every bit. It's a very nice sightseeing, a very nice landscape in Edmonton. It's my second time. First one was gray and cold. Today, as you folks can see, it's a very sunny day, so I'm enjoying. Thank you very much for having me.
Well, it's a pleasure, and you know what they say in Alberta, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. It works the other way as well, so let's hope tomorrow we still have good weather.
I hope so.
So let's jump right in. What is the main benefit, the main selling point, selling feature for ISS?
So ISS is a full-featured VMS, a video management software, video management system, with the advantage to have a pool of video analytics running on board. What do I mean by that? Is we have a set of video analytics that runs on the engine of the software itself. So with that said, it's not a third-party integration, it's not an OEM. So those are the video analytics developed by ISS with an ISS video management system.
That is well summarized, I must say.
Thank you.
And you folks will hopefully see in a couple of seconds the examples behind that statement. Now, still, you know, I'm in that business for a longer time now, and lots of good software come with the cameras itself. What would be your argument for the viewers out there to use a third-party software?
It's a very good question. We come across this challenge on a daily basis, trying to sell, trying to promote and to show the partners what are the advantages of using a video management versus a software that comes with the camera package. I guess the main reason I guess the first one is when you do not have only one type of camera manufactured within your facility. Of course, it's always ideal to have one single camera manufacturer, but in case some specialty situations where the customer might need 2-3 types of cameras, if you want to use a VMS, you are able to manage all 3 manufacturers or as many as you use. I guess the second one is definitely take the operations out of the camera, so you're now turning video into intelligence. So you're taking just the reactive position of the camera, just looking in a field of view and just being able to record, or maybe just do some bookmarking or even some motion detection. Those are the softwares that are available. A VMS such as ISS is able to leverage that camera and turn into intelligence. So your management, now you're becoming active rather than a reactive position for your video management solution.
If that doesn't sound exciting, I don't know what sounds exciting. Okay, let's take a look at some of the clips I prepared and the examples. Explain a couple of the highlights, the automated highlights. I've just recently came across you programmed your software to identify hard hats to improve company security. Is that true?
That is exactly true. So one of the things, ISS is basically divided in 3 R&D departments today. So we do have our VMS, that's the core of our business. So we do have a team that takes care of all the full-featured VMS that we provide. We upgrade, we update it on a yearly basis. We have a secondary R&D department that takes care of the video analytics off the shelf. Those are your robust video analytics, such as object left behind, license plate recognition, where we are a very robust solution within our portfolio. Cargo, such as the background you can see, that's a cargo loading area. We want to automate those type of facilities. And then we have our engineered solutions. Those are customized solutions, such as a hard hat detection was one that came across. That request came across to us a couple years ago, and it has finally become a product. Hard hat detection, analog gauge reading. Who would expect to have an IP camera looking at the gauges and turning that into a digital point, to a decimal point, digital number that you can be manageable.
Wow. Well, I'm 7 years in the industry right now. I would not have come up with a hard hat detection. That's for sure. So, Sarah, thank you so much for doing the interview today. It was a real pleasure, and all the best, and hope to say hi here in Edmonton soon again.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this interview, and there's many more to come. Thanks, Christian, for the opportunity. Love to be in Edmonton.
Perfect. Thank you very much.